Okay, boys and girls, this is Chapter 7, Section 2, Complementary and Supplementary Angles. This is a quick lesson. Mainly, we just need to understand two vocabulary words. Let's take a look at them. First up, complementary angles. Complementary angles are two angles that add up to 90 degrees. Two angles, not three, not four, two. Next up, supplementary angles. Supplementary angles are two angles that add up to 180 degrees. Again, two angles, not three, not four, two angles that add up to 180. Now, let's take a look at a stupid way to remember both of these. First one, for complementary angles. You would give a baby a compliment for standing up right. See what I did there? Compliment, complementary, right, add up to 90 degrees. Told you it was going to be stupid. Here's another one. It's even worse. Next, let's take a look at Smiley the Mat Wrestler. So, pro wrestlers, people this big, chances are they have to take all kinds of protein shakes and whatnot along with their workouts. In other words, they take supplements. So, supplementary angles, supplements. Really big, biggest angle we have, 180 degrees. See what I did there? Told you it was going to be bad. Next up, here's an example of a question that you would see based on the information on this section. Are these pairs of angles supplementary, complementary, or neither? Let's take a look at some questions. Okay, with pair number one, we have 60 degrees and 30 degrees. 60 plus 30 is 90, so these are complementary. With question 2, we've got 110 degrees and 70 degrees. 110 plus 70 equal 180. That's supplementary. Pair number 3, 85 plus 90, that's going to equal 175. So, not complementary, not supplementary, so it's neither. And one more group. I've got 80 plus 5 and 5. Well, 80 degrees, 5 degrees, and 5 degrees, if you add them all up, adds up to 90 degrees. But, how many angles do I have here? 1, 2, 3. Well, supplementary and complementary angles, they're only supplementary complementary if you have two angles that add up to 90 or 180. Here I have three angles, so again, this one, neither. The next kind of question you'll see are ones like this. It'll say if these angles are, and it'll either be supplementary or complementary. It'll say, what is X? Let's take a look at some examples. Okay, so with example 1, we know those two angles are supplementary. That means that they add up to 180 degrees. So that means the angle on the left plus the angle on the right have to add up to 180 degrees. Left plus right equal 180. Let's substitute what we know these are. The angle on the left is 123 degrees. The angle on the right, 3x degrees. So now I just solved the equation. And with problem 2, I do the same thing, except for this time, they're complementary. That means the left and right angles, you add them up, and they equal 90 degrees. Now I solved the equation. And that's it for Lesson 2 in Chapter 7.